Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you how to clean the bathroom sink. Available ingredients, 5 minutes of your time and the sink will shine again. Soap and lime deposits accumulate on the sink. As a result, the sink becomes not white but yellow. If you touch the sink with your fingers, you will feel it. Plaque also accumulates on the sink drain and in the overflow hole. I also make sure to clean the tiles near the sink. My tile is splattered all over. If you have a countertop or a mirror, don't forget to wash them. I think you noticed that my faucet is already clean. How to clean the faucet from lime scale I told in a separate video. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So, to clean the sink in the bathroom you need baking soda. Wet the sink a little with water and sprinkle it with baking soda. Now add some dish soap. Take a sponge, moisten it with water and start cleaning the sink. If there is not much plaque on the sink and you feel that it is easy to clean, then you can clean the sink right away. If the sink is very dirty, then spread the baking soda and dish detergent over it and leave it for 10 minutes. To clean the tile in the sink area, I spread the paste over it and leave it for 10 minutes. Now let's talk about how to clean the drain and the overflow hole. I do this with a small brush for cleaning. My plaque is easily cleaned. If your plaque doesn't come off, then clean the sink, dampen paper towels with plain white vinegar and stick them firmly on the dirt. Leave for a while. It all depends on lime scale. After such a procedure, all contaminants will be easily cleaned off. By the way, the ring can be removed from the hole. To clean the water overflow hole inside, use a toothbrush or cotton buds. When you have finished cleaning the sink, rinse it well with cool running water. For perfect results, wipe everything dry with a soft, clean cloth. By the way, while washing the sink in the bathroom, don't forget to wash the bottom of the sink and the cabinet on which it is installed. Well friends, now you know how to clean bathroom sink. I'm very satisfied with the result. Hope you too. The sink is again smooth and snow white. The drain and overflow hole look perfect too. And tiles, it was quite dirty. Everything was easy to clean up. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!